What's up, guys? I want to show you a little bait and switch that happened to me. Dash cam, what they call a vehicle black box DVR. I've been using one for about 3 years, pretty much ever since I got that F-250 from work. When it was brand new, I saw one of these. Went on Amazon, found it. It was like 30 something bucks. It is this is like a thing that you strap on your mirror, and it has like a camera on the back, an HD camera aiming forwards, and then you plug in a second camera which has a long cord on it, and you can mount this all the way in the back of your vehicle, and that aims back behind you. So that's how I get those dash cam videos, looking forwards and back. The back camera is like a regular VGA quality. It's not quite it's not HD, but it works. I put it as picture in picture, and it looks great. It makes these awesome videos. The one that I have in my work truck records great. The audio is great. So basically, I ordered one for my minivan, and I installed it, which is this one. But then I noticed when I was playing back the videos that the sound is distorted and muffled. So I said, I got a glitch. Oh well, they're pretty cheap. I'll buy another one. So I bought another one. Audio's still crappy. So evidently they did something between the first version and the ones I got after that, and unfortunately, the audio isn't as good. So whatever. So this one's just been sitting in the box. That's why I still have it. I still have the package that it came in. It was boxed in that, and this was on the outside of it, which just unfolds, and you see all the info there. Well, been seeing ads when using the internet, going like Facebook, whatever. And so I went to this BA Beauty 6 place, and there's an updated version of it. Ooh, touchscreen. And I know this stuff with 4G LTE or whatever. I don't know. It must have said it connected to your phone or something. I knew that was probably all going to be bullshit, but I just wanted another one of these dual cameras. Forward facing, rear facing, global technology dash cam, rear cam, smart mirror. So it's got dash cam and rear cam, it says. Right here, touchscreen and button operating. So I ordered it for like $23.99. It was like 30 bucks, I believe. So now it's dropped again. So I got it. And what did I get? Got this box right here. So, and it's all crunched. It was crunched, and the middle of that screen right there is cracked. Let's see if we can see that. Screen's cracked right up the middle. Oh well, it wasn't gonna deal breaker. This one here came in that box. I still have the box in the closet. Great packaging from Amazon. You know, people on Amazon care about their ratings, so it seems to work out pretty good. So there's this one. So it's not a touchscreen. It's got buttons, identical buttons to the other one I got. And on here, it shows pretty similar pictures. It shows an LCD on the right, and whatever calls it the same thing. So if I turn it on, though, there goes that one. Boots up first. LCD's on the left. Doesn't even match the box it came in, and it's a smaller one. It also did not come with this camera, the infrared, rear camera. It has a spot where the socket would be AV in, but there's nothing on the circuit board. So, yeah. Bait and switch. So, but how does it do? Well, let's show you a couple recordings. And by the way, I looked on a recent ad that's going on Facebook right now. It takes you to Camongo. Store. Global Technology Dash Cam. BA Beauty 6. Global Technology Dash Cam, showing the same exact advertisement, same exact one all the way down the page. It's the same thing, and now it's $19.99. So it might make it more worth it, even though it doesn't have a reverse camera. But what does it sound like? Well, I got these opened here in VLC. I haven't even tried to see what the video looks like. Let me fast forward it. There it is. So there's the recording. Sound is clear like the first camera I got. So there's a plus for it. But the video, I sat in my chair back there recording with both of these. Look at that. It's way cropped in. That's shite. That ain't a wide camera. And it might not be a wide camera. It might be another aspect of the bait and switch. So the other one, it's wide angle. Look at that. You could see my left and my right wall at the same time. It's so wide, which is how you want it when you got this up on your mirror. You want to be able to see left lane, what's in front of you, and the right lane. You could see objects coming in and out of, in front of you, which is good for evidence. A little grainy here, but But it is, I think, having the gain cranked up because inside, just one light up here. The sound is horrible, like I said, all muffled. Back it up a little bit. So sound isn't good, but the video is a lot better. That's no good being cropped in like that, but the sound is good. But this one has rear video. You can just make a decent camera. Just records 2 video streams at the same time, and both access the microphone and record the same audio on both. So sometimes I'll let them both be in my edit, or I'll just mute one. But when I sync them up and do picture-in-picture, but it actually records as 2 separate files. So anyway, that's what you got. I want to show you guys that. Some bait and switch there. So if you see all these different ads, on Facebook and whatnot, touchscreen. But it don't matter, because when I clicked on the link, this is what it takes me to. That shows all the ads for a touchscreen. Touchscreen and button operating. Boom. $19.99 now. Yeah. Bullshit. All bullshit. So be careful with that bait and switch.